Hey guys, I want to jump in here right quick and show you guys where I'm at with my build. Working on doors and vent windows. Getting some parts powder coated at the powder coat shop. Where else? Getting some parts done, getting doors and stuff, pieces gathered up, weather stripping, things like that. Gonna probably do a video on some LED taillights. I've got an exhaust video that I'm working on, and I think you guys will enjoy getting to finally hear this thing with exhaust on it. Sounds pretty mean, really. It's got a good raspy sound, couple MagnaFlow mufflers on there, but I'll go ahead and get that posted up, and then probably not too far away, video on disassembly, tear down, and rebuild of the vent window assemblies. You can buy those things, guys, but they're not very cost effective, and I don't know if China is making them or what, but the few people I've talked to, it's kind of mixed. Some say they're quality rebuild kits, they're quality vent windows. Some say that they're suck, they're cheap, China made, and I thought, well, what better opportunity to try to show you guys how to build your own or remake the ones that you have. So I'm gonna give that a shot. The LED taillights video, the exhaust video, all that stuff coming up probably in the next couple weeks. But walking around here, I've got my heads back on. You guys saw the video for that. Glad to be done with that. That was a mess, but next thing is going to be getting doors and tailgate assembled and get those stuck on there. And there'll be a lot of good content coming up. It's colder outside. It's starting to cool off, and we're working on a heater here in the shop, trying to get something going. And man, I don't know. You know, we've got a lot going on. Christmas is around the corner. Thanksgiving, we just got through Thanksgiving, so doing the family stuff and then trying to work on this too, and by Christmas, there's a lot going on, but you guys bear with me. Keep following, keep watching, and hopefully you'll enjoy some of the content that's coming up. Hopefully get you some good information out there. So pan around to the race car. Everybody likes race cars, so we'll do that, and then we'll cut the video and get back to all the work and all the progress. Have a good one.